Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Zach Attack Sports Cards
And stuff.
and stuff. And today I'm mulling over this decision here of cracking open this box of the Panini Contenders 2019 draft picks. I was lucky enough to get this thing online through the Panini website. And it took me about 20 minutes to get through the website and actually place this order. And I ended up getting through. A lot of people weren't so lucky. But first off the line, supposed to have some pretty cool hits for the first boxes coming out. And the decision I'm trying to make is, should I open it or should I not open it? Right, as everybody saw on the website, this thing's going for $130 on the website when it was available. And right now, secondary market, these things are going anywhere from $350 to $450. So, do I risk it? Do I sell it? What do you think, Nicholas?
I think we should open
Of course, he thinks we should open it. So, holding out for one of these Zions or John Morant or R.J. Barrett, but to be determined. Are we gonna get one? I don't know. We'll see. I think we're either gonna hopefully break even at the least, or come up with something really good. So I think we're going to go ahead and crack this baby open. Alright, so you can see it is a sealed box, right? You see the Panini wrap from there. Alright, there's some of the odds that are on here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and crack this bad boy open. So let's see what we get first off the line. Yeah, me personally, I'm not a huge, basketball guy, so but there's the box. All right, 6 packs. Should be 6 autos in the box. So we shall see. All right, we'll see what happens here. So we're gonna start right here, and I am prepared here just in case. All right, got some supplies here. I never know what we're gonna get. We got the one touch there. Got some top loaders there. So we shall see. All right, so let's start right here. All right, so let's go season ticket here. DeMar DeRozan, Luka Doncic. Sexton, Irving, Kuzma, Chris Paul. Everybody's waiting to get the last Daniel Gafford. Here. So, game day ticket, 5 of 5. So that's not bad at all. That's pretty nice. I'll take that. We'll take that any day. All right. So then we'll start right there. Now here's our first auto, right? Diedrich Lawson, right? Not numbered, not bad. All right, so we'll go there. We'll put that there. Set these commons off to the side here. So let's set that up here. All right. Game day ticket, school colors, Culver. Karl Anthony Towns, Legacy, De'Aaron Fox. All right, so it's the first couple hits there. On the next pack here. So we can get this thing open. So we got here, we got Ben Simmons, John Wall, Shaquille O'Neal. Right? Oh, there's one of my son's favorite players, Giannis. Giannis, however you pronounce his last name. There you go. My son said it perfectly, right? Michael Bridges, De'Aaron Fox. All right, Marvin Bagley III, Mitchell, Shamet, Lillard, Klay Thompson. What we got here? All right, you got Tyus Battle auto. All right, not numbered. So there we go. Rookie. So that doesn't look too bad. It's pretty nice. Porter, there we go. Little Zion action there. So that's not bad at all. I'll take that. Too bad it's not an auto, but you know, we'll take it. PJ Washington, Shimaoki, Jerry West, Marvin Bagley III. Alright, so hoping for a little cracked ice action maybe, or a decent rookie auto. So let's see what we got. Larry Bird, Charles Barkley, Kobe, Anthony Davis, Kemba Walker, Kawhi Leonard, Lonzo Trier, Zach LaVine, Karl Anthony Towns, Russell Westbrook, and Chris Wilkes, auto rookie. Alright, so 3 autos down, 3 more to go. Jordan Poole, Jalen McDaniels, Nasir Little, Ty Jerome, Kawhi Leonard, Russell Westbrook. We're hoping. Now I looked online, looked at some eBay sales going on right now. There are 3 Zions listed at the moment. Cheapest one is listed for $39,999, or buy it now, or best offer. What was that? What I meant to say, or best offer? Is it going to get that? I doubt it, but it's still going to go in the thousands for sure. Alexander, Embiid, Bagley, Donovan Mitchell, all right, Landry Shamet. Seems like get a lot of repeats. So you got Magic Johnson, Devin Booker, Marcus Aldridge. What we got here? We got Buddy Hield, numbered to 99. And then so we got a couple cards that are backwards in there. So we'll take a look at those here in a second. Bol, Shaw, Romeo Langford, Casey Okpala, Steph Curry, Allen Iverson. All right, so what do we got here? Let's go. Ooh, that's a nice one. Kemba Walker. All right, numbered to 75. All right, we'll take that. And last one here is going to be O'Shea Brissett, auto rookie. All right. 4 down, 2 to go. What do you think? What do you think, Nicholas?
We still have a chance.
So what? We still have a chance. As long as there's packs, we still got a chance. All right. Yes, I do have my knife over there, but I don't want to slip with the knife and, cut something I don't want to cut, like myself. LeBron James, all right, DeAndre Ayton, Kuzma, Paul, Kevin Durant, Charles Barkley, Kobe, Davis, Kemba Walker,
Lou Williams. Oh, that's not Lou Williams.
No, that's Shai, however you pronounce his name. I just pass on the name before I just butcher it. Alright, and we got Quindry Witherspoon, auto rookie. Game day. Alright, So we got one last pack. I think I'm gonna give Nicholas the honors of opening this last pack, and we'll see what happens here. So keep your fingers crossed.
This is a tough pack.
You want me to open it? You gotta be careful with other cards here. Here,
Yeah,
I'll get it started here, and then we'll go from there. Just be careful, all right? See something shiny in there already. There you go.
Okay. We will go from here. Blake Griffin, Kevin Herter, Steph Curry, and then we got Drew Holiday. Now we got Miles Bridges, James Harden, Shaquille O'Neal, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Mikal Bridges, De'Aaron Fox, Larry Bird, Kevin Porter Jr. Ooh.
Alright, it's not numbered. Alright. Kevin Porter Jr., the Trojans rookie college ticket. And it's not numbered.
Okay. We got Tyler Hero, Kobe White, School Colors, Brandon Clark, John Morant, James Worthy, and Donovan Mitchell.
Alright, so it wasn't the Zion, but we got a couple pretty nice cards in there. So I'll take that and go with that. But yeah, so that's the break. Didn't pull the Zion like we were hoping, but we got some neat stuff. So better luck next time. But until then, we'll see you next time. Take care, guys, and we'll see ya.